Man, what I done got myself into today. Jesus Christ. It's a mess in my basement. This is just half the stuff that I had brought in here yesterday. The other day ago. Copper wire. Some motor right there. Stripped some stuff off yesterday. I ain't get to it yet. Got this here. That light right there. A few more lights and stuff. All this. I gotta go to the yard. Jesus Christ. There's a lot of shit here. Some flares. Some more copper wire. Break those down, see what's in there. Down look too good. I don't know. I see how thick this wire is, see if I should strip it or not. Whew. Some brass down there. Wish me luck.